So today's question is, while driving his car at the speed of 50 km per hour, Ramit covers a distance from home to his office in 1 hour 30 minutes. So the distance is covered in time taken to cover the distance is 1 hour 30 minutes with the speed of 50 km per hour. But one day he was 15 minutes late from his home, and in order to reach the office in time, what would be the speed of the car? Okay, and you also have to find the total distance covered by the Ramit. Okay, let us first calculate the time. When he takes 1 hour 30 minutes, okay, convert it into hours. 130 upon 60. So here it is 1 by 2 hour, that is 3 by 2 hour. With the speed of 50 km hour, he takes 3 by 2 hours. And when he was 15 minutes late, the time will be 1 hour 30 minutes he'll take, and he is late by 15 minutes. So deduct 15 minutes. It will come 1 hour 15 minutes. Now convert it into hours. 1 hour 15 upon 60. So it comes 1 by 4, that is 5 by 4 hours. Okay. So you have to find the speed that Ramit will take to cover the distance in 5 by 4 hours. Now speed units is in kilometer per hour and time is in hours. Okay, if it is 50 km per hour, he takes 3 by 2 hours. If he takes 15 minutes late, matlab 15 minutes less, by conversion the hours is 5 by 4 hours, the speed will be x. This we will have to find. If the time is less by 15 minutes, then he will have to increase the speed. Okay, time is decreased and the speed will increase. Therefore this is inverse variation. Okay, the formula for inverse variation, that is the product is constant, taking product of both sides. Yes, and by cross multiplication, 5, 3 by 2, 4 by 5, 5, 10, 2, and your answer is 60 km per hour. So he has to take the speed. He has to cover the distance in 1 hour 15 minutes. That is 15 minutes late with 60 km per hour. Therefore, required speed is 60 km पर आवर. अगर टाइम 15 मिनट्स कम हो गया है तो उसको अपनी स्पीड बढ़ानी पड़ेगी. स्पीड बढ़ा के पहले कितनी थी 50 किलोमीटर, आप बेटे 60 किलोमीटर पर आवर. नाउ डिस्टेंस, अब चाहे स्पीड कम या ज़्यादा, बट द डिस्टेंस इज ऑलवेज कांस्टेंट. अगर स्पीड हम ज़्यादा करेंगे तो टाइम विल डिक्रीज. ओके, बट द डिस्टेंस इज ऑलवेज कांस्टेंट. देयरफॉर विद द फॉर्मूला ऑफ स्पीड, you know that speed is equal to distance upon time. Therefore distance is equal to speed into time. दोनों में से किसी को भी ले सकते हो, मैं इसको ले रही हूँ. तो speed is 50 and time is 3 by 2. It comes 75 किलोमीटर. ओके, तो डिस्टेंस कितना है 75. तो टोटल डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय रमित डेली, total distance covered by Ramit daily. So it is not 75 kilometer from home to office. One way is 75 kilometer. Then he has to return from office to home. Again 75 kilometers. So he covers 2 times 75 kilometer, or you can add 75 kilometer plus 75 kilometer. So total distance traveled by him is 150 kilometer. Okay. So this is the question here. You have to add the distance 2 times because he covers the distance, total distance from home to office and then office to home. Okay. Thank you.